Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you the personal finance dashboard I built using Microsoft Excel. That dashboard is designed to track income and expenses in a simple and organized way. First, we have the transaction sheet, where all the financial records are stored. Each entry contains the date, category, description, and amount. Positive values represent income, while negative values represent expenses. Next, we have the summary sheet, which uses a pivot table to automatically analyze the data. It groups transactions by category and month, helping us understand where money is coming from and where it's being spent. And the workflow is simple, and the transactions in the datasheet refresh the pivot table and summary updates automatically. Through this project, I learned important Excel concepts such as data organization, pivot tables, financial analysis, and dashboard creation. This project demonstrates how raw data can be transformed into meaningful insights for better financial decision making. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you soon.